Hello viewers, today we are going to discuss Keshavananda Bharti versus State of Kerala, a landmark judgment by the Supreme Court, and this case are called fundamental rights case. So 24th April 2023, this case was completed 15 years celebrations. On this occasion, our channel is bringing this total details of this case before you. This is very useful video. Please watch till the end of the video. Friends, Keshavananda Bharti is a chief of the religion group, and he is maintaining the mutt, one ashramam at Kerala, state of Kerala in India. So then he has a land on his name. Then there is a land disputes between the state of the Kerala and Keshavananda Bharti. In the year of the 1969, the Kerala government has passed a Kerala Land Reforms Act 1969, which empowers the state government to take the land from the case. So then the Keshavananda Bharti, under Article 32 of Indian Constitution, moved a Supreme Court of India for infringement of the fundamental rights and rights of the owners and natural justice, principles of natural justice. So, and under Article 25, right to practice, propagate religious, and Article 26, right to manage religious affairs, Article 14, right to equality, Article 31, compulsory acquirement of the land, property. Next, Article 19(1)(f), freedom to acquire property. This rights were challenged before the Supreme Court by the Keshavananda Bharti against state of Kerala. During the pendency of the case at Supreme Court, the Kerala government has passed another Land Reforms Act 1971. In case of Golaknath versus State of Punjab, certain amendments made. The first 24th Amendment, Constitution Amendment, states that Parliament has the power to change the provision of the Constitution. And 25th Constitution Amendment states have a power to acquire a land from the person and do not have a responsibility to compensate the owner. However, Supreme Court uphold the 24th Constitution Amendment. It means Parliament has the power to amend the provision of the Constitution. But however, Supreme Court A 25th Constitutional Amendment became a ultra virus. Some of the parts. So, then the fundamental rights was challenged by the Keshavananda Bharti against state of Kerala. So, the matter was headed by 13 justice bench, constitution bench. This is the first 13 constitution bench in Indian history. 7.7:6 majority ratio as favored in favor of the Keshavananda Bharti. 7 justice favored in favor of the Keshavananda Bharti. So the case became a in favor of the Keshavananda Bharti. So the Supreme Court, the main judgment of the Supreme Court in Keshavananda Bharti versus state of Kerala is that stated that Parliament has a power to amend the provision of the Constitution of India, but does not have a power to amend the Constitution which violates the basic structure of the Constitution. Remember, it means the Parliament has no power to amend the Constitution which violates the basic structure of the Constitution. So what is the basic structure? The court already held that parliamentary democracy and judicial reviews, fundamental rights, secularism, these are the basic structure which does not affected by any amendment by the Parliament. It means the Parliament has no power to amend the Constitution on point of the basic structure, remember. But however, Parliament has the power to change the provision of the Constitution, but does not touch the basic structure of the Constitution. This is the main great landmark judgment given by the Supreme Court of India on 24th April 1973. This judgment completed 15 years. Now we are the Supreme Court of India recently 24th April 2023 already opened web page on this case for the law researcher, law interest persons. They can study the case law. So, as per this case, fundamental rights, parliamentary democracy, secularism and judicial reviews are protected by the Supreme Court. Parliament does not have the power to change. It means does not touch the basic structure. So, because Constitution is our spirit of the India. The basic structure is the main. If any violation is going on against basic structure, the court can interfere and striking out such amendments. But from the 1973 onwards, there is no change. There is no amendments on point of the basic structure. So that is that landmark of the Keshavananda Bharti versus state of Kerala. Now it means India is a democracy country and have a big democracy and secularism and fundamental rights should be protected by the Constitution and judicial review is part of our system. So this is a basic structure does not affected by any amendment by the Parliament. So it is clear. That is the Keshavananda Bharti versus State of Kerala. This citation will be very useful for when the point is arising about the fundamental rights or basic structures. Friends, these are the today session. I hope you got some idea, and please like, share, subscribe. Please forward to your friends. Thank you one and all. V.S.Patel, member of the Supreme Court Bar Association, life member of the High Court Bar Association, Telangana State, Andhra Pradesh. Thank you one and all.